One place we haven't tackled yet is our hallway. The first thing you see when you enter a house, and it's a mess. We had floor heating installed right when we got the keys and only closed the slots with cement. You want to plaster the walls, paint the cabinet and do something with the doors, change the complete look of the stairs, paint the doors and most importantly put in new flooring. We're going to start by putting in the tiles all by ourselves. We are going to start tiling the hallway. We don't have a lot of experience tiling, so it's going to be a bit of a challenge. So we've got a little setup. What we're going to do is tile with these Moroccan tiles. They are called Bejmat. I'm not sure how to pronounce it. I'll write it right here. Tiles, they are handmade in Morocco and they are made from special clay that they have there. And these tiles are super gorgeous. I really love them, but because they are handmade, they have some imperfections and they are not all exactly the same size in thickness and in length. So that's going to be a bit of a challenge. And because they are dried in the sun, they are very dry and they will suck up all the moisture in the glue. And for that, we have to put them in water first. So we have to put about 20 of them in here in a bucket of water, let it soak for about 20 seconds, then we have to let them dry. And then we have to put on glue on the floor, glue on the tile, and yeah, start tiling basically. So of course we didn't make it easy on ourselves, but we're just going for this result and we don't care if it's going to be difficult. What we did yesterday is try to see if some of the sizes were similar, and then we kind of separated 3 different sizes so that we can easily put rows down of approximately the same size. We just did this for 1 box, so we have a few more boxes to go, but we'll do this on the go, I think. And we also have to take into account that not all the coloring is the same, so we also have to mix some of the boxes, but we'll just start and I'll see how it will all go.
Ja?
Here we have a little bit more of space between them because we want to have these kind of rows, and it was going a little bit sideways here. I think in total that won't matter. Over here we have a straight line now, basically.
I can feel it. The breeze brings goosebumps to my skin. Tonight the whiskey feels stronger. Gasoline on hidden desires. So I'll throw my old lighter. This cigar helps me slow down, thinking back to all I loved and lost. My heart is full and aching strong, so I'll throw.
The first part of our hallway is now almost done. So we've laid down all the tiles, and Søren has been busy cutting up little pieces that are still left to do around all the corners of the hallway. All the areas that didn't fit normal pieces and needed to be cut down to fit in the particular spot. And when that's done and everything is dried, which is almost there, we still have to do some things. So we have to clean up the tiles. You can see here there are some bits which have a little bit of like chalk in it. I'm not sure how you would call that. So we have to clean up everything, and then we have to put on a layer to make sure dirt can't really attach to it. So we have to, in Dutch it's called impregneren. I will put the English word here, I'm not sure what it's called. And once we've done that, then we can put in the grout. In between all these little cracks here, we're going to put grout everywhere. And then it's going to be finished. So that will be good, but we still have some work to do. And especially everything has to dry for a few days, and then we can do the next layer. So we're not done yet, but we'll see how everything goes. So one thing that's also very clear is this is quite a busy pattern, and together with these busy walls it looks a bit strange maybe, but once these walls are plastered, and it's going to look so much better, I'm sure of it. So I'm very, very, very happy with the result. So this is our attic, and in between here we're going to put insulation like we did in our bedrooms as well, and then it should get a little bit warmer in here because it's quite cold here now. So this is actually pretty hard because you have to press up pretty hard in really difficult positions. So, okay.
This is a bio-based material. It's wood fibers, and it's supposed to be more durable than other solutions that are out there. So hopefully it will work very well. It's pretty thick, as you can see.
nog lager.